Hail to the divine souls. We appreciate your coming back to our station. We are the International Academy for Spiritual Healing, and now we are exploring the life-changing realm of aromatherapy to see how it can offer immediate alleviation from stress and anxiety. Please help us by helping us subscribe to our channel, hitting the like button, and forwarding this video to your friends and family before we set out on this life-changing adventure. We can reach even more people with our uplifting and healing energy if you help us. Let's set off on this adventure together now. For millennia, people have valued aromatherapy, the application of essential oils to improve both physical and mental well-being. Stress and worry can frequently appear as disruptive elements on our spiritual journeys, impairing our mental clarity and inner serenity. But aromatherapy is a powerful instrument to quickly release these heavy feelings, resulting in a calm and peaceful condition. The limbic system, the area of the brain responsible for emotions, memory, and arousal, is directly related to our olfactory system, which is why aromatherapy works so magically. Certain essential oils have fragrances that when we inhale can set off a series of beneficial bodily and mental reactions that support emotional equilibrium and relaxation. For people who are on a spiritual path, this link is extremely important since it promotes mindfulness and a greater feeling of self-awareness. Take the following actions to maximize the benefits of aromatherapy for reducing stress. 1. Select essential oils carefully. Choose essential oils that are well known for their relaxing effects. Herbs like bergamot, lavender, and chamomile are great for easing anxiety and encouraging calm. Discover which of the many advantages that each oil offers most resonates with you by exploring them all. 2. Establish a calm environment. Locate a peaceful, cozy area where you may relax without being bothered. To improve the atmosphere, you could want to turn down the lights, burn some candles, or play some calming music. The benefits of aromatherapy will be amplified in this calm environment. 3. Use a diffuser. Essential oils can be widely distributed into the atmosphere by using a diffuser. Fill the diffuser with a few drops of your preferred oil, then let the relaxing scent fill the space. Take a deep breath in and let the aroma calm your senses. 4. Inhalation method. A few drops of essential oil on a tissue or cotton ball will provide aromatherapy benefits even if you don't have a diffuser. Breathe deeply and slowly while holding it close to your nose and letting the soothing aroma fill you up. 5. Incorporate breathing exercises. Mindful, deep breathing improves the relaxation response. Use deep breathing exercises while you inhale the essential oil. Breathe in slowly via your nose, hold it for a short while, and then gently release the breath through your mouth. This technique enhances the aroma's relaxing effects while assisting you in remaining in the moment. 6. Topical application. When diluted with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil, certain essential oils can be administered topically. Apply a small bit on the back of your neck, your wrists, or your temples to keep the calming aroma with you all day. Aromatherapy is a great complement to your spiritual practice because of its ease of use and potency. In addition to offering instant relief from tension and anxiety, it also promotes cerebral clarity and emotional equilibrium. Using aromatherapy on a regular basis can improve your general well-being and strengthen your relationship with yourself. Aromatherapy's tenets are in harmony with spiritual practice. It inspires us to embrace the restorative power of nature, to live in the moment, and to establish a connection with our senses. By adding aromatherapy into your daily routine, you can develop a calm and peaceful attitude that promotes spiritual development.